Master the semicolon. Spot and fix errors like a pro. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of punctuation marks, focusing on an often misunderstood, yet extremely useful tool, the semicolon. We'll be practicing how to identify and correct semicolon errors. Let's get started. Semicolons act as a balance between a full stop, like a period, and a small pause, like a comma. It's a way to connect closely related ideas within a single sentence. Here are the two most common ways to use semicolons. 1. Connecting two independent clauses. If you have two thoughts that could stand as sentences on their own but are closely related, you can join them with a semicolon. Example: it's snowing outside. I'll have to wear my heavy coat. 2. Separating items in a complex list. When your list items contain commas within them, you can use semicolons for clarity. Example: we visited Madrid, Spain, Rome, Italy, and Athens, Greece. When proofreading a piece of text, watch out for these common semicolon errors. 1. Semicolons connecting dependent and independent clauses. A semicolon should only link two independent clauses. Incorrect. When it's snowing outside, I'll have to wear my heavy coat. 2. Semicolons used instead of colons. Sometimes a colon is a better choice to introduce a list or a related thought. Incorrect. I have 3 favorite foods: pizza, spaghetti, and lasagna. Once you've identified the errors, you can correct them as follows. 1. If a semicolon is connecting a dependent and independent clause, replace it with a comma, or rearrange the sentence so that two independent clauses are being connected. Correct. When it's snowing outside, I'll have to wear my heavy coat. Or, it's snowing outside, therefore, I'll have to wear my heavy coat. 2. If a semicolon is incorrectly used instead of a colon, simply replace it with the correct punctuation mark. Correct. I have 3 favorite foods: pizza, spaghetti, and lasagna. That's all for today's lesson. Remember, mastering punctuation takes practice and patience. Now that you're familiar with semicolon errors and how to correct them, take a look at your own writing and see if you can spot any mistakes. Happy writing, and I hope you found this video helpful.